And basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 progressional backward walks for the guy, and 5, keep the right hand up and the left hand down. Okay, make a note of this because we're gonna get into it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Pop on 1, 2, 3, switch hands, one up, one down, and then without delay, spin the leg. Open up, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, copa with the hand down and the hand to the neck. And then down, 5, 6, 7. And we're in the first position I told you to remember. We're gonna let the lady either do a basic or stay on the spot. Open up on 5, let go of the right, 6 and 7, bring her back. This is a beautiful crossbody lead, boys and girls. Watch, 5, 6, grab the back. Walk her around, you turn your body, bring her in, 6, 7. Now you're gonna need to do a little jump, boys. 1, 2, and grab her shoulder. 5 and 6, 7, put here on your left. And then 1, 2, 3, you can do whatever you like. A crossbody lead. And I just like to put the tango finishing. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.